If you drive a Mercedes-Benz, Sprinter, Smart, or Maybach, you probably already know how expensive dealership service fees can get. But before you rush to the shop, wait! Today, we're unboxing the iCarsoft MB V4.0 to see how it can help you run full system diagnostics right at home. Right on the front of the box, you can see it comes preloaded with software for Mercedes-Benz, Sprinter, Smart, and Maybach. But that's not all. You can also download 2 additional vehicle make groups for free to cover even more cars. You can choose any 2 out of these 24 vehicle groups, like BMW, Porsche, or Toyota. The side and back of the box highlight its features. The MB V4.0 supports full system diagnostics, auto VN recognition, and comes with 9 hot service functions, plus 32 advanced service functions, making it perfect even for professional technicians. Let's open it up. Inside, we get a high-quality carrying case. The main unit itself, featuring a beautiful 5-inch HD touchscreen that feels great in the hand. An OBD2 diagnostic cable, a user manual in 6 languages, English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, and Dutch, and a USB-C cable. Once you connect to Wi-Fi, you're greeted by the main home screen. Let's break down the main options. Diagnostics. Tap here and you'll find dedicated diagnostic software for Maybach, Mercedes-Benz, Smart, and Sprinter, along with a standard OBD2 option for complete full system health checks. Service. In the service menu, you have access to over 40 essential service functions. The most common ones like oil reset, EPB brake pad reset, and ABS bleeding are all right here. Update. This is where you update your device to the latest software version. It's also where you claim your 2 free extra vehicle groups. For example, you could download the BMW group, which covers BMW, Mini, and Rolls-Royce, and the JLR group for Jaguar and Land Rover. Or just pick whatever fits your garage. User data. Heading into user data lets you read the digital user manual or look up specific fault codes in the built-in library. Settings. Finally, in Settings, you can customize your preferences and choose from 15 different languages. An all-in-one powerhouse that saves you trips to the dealer. Click the link below to grab yours, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car tech reviews. See you next time!